igamugunu, igunuko, igamugunu, igamule, orile, igamugunu.
Christ was born in a manger. Herod wanted to start another Biafra. Sent the wise men who needed the stars to tell them how far.
Season greetings, my dear people of Nigeria, Lagos State, and ORILE IGANMU at large. We, the ORILE IGANMU Progressive Association, we are here with KINABUTI and friends to put a smile on the faces of the students of LA and Central Nursery and Primary School to make their Christmas a very beautiful one. So keep calm, enjoy, and send your comments. Thank you.